Welcome back, grade 3. And I want to say thank you to all of you, especially those who really did their project. It's really great, and I can see your effort there, and you're very happy doing your project or your handcraft, and I'm so happy with that. Okay, and now let's continue with our lesson, and it's entitled Design and Technology. So design and technology, which is related to creatively select objects and utensils and reuse objects in utensils. So creatively selecting objects and utensils used in everyday life that are friendly to life, society, and the environment is based on the following 3 principles. Okay, so when we select object or utensils, or when we buy something, or when we choose something, we should have these 3 principles. Okay, the first one is benefits. Utensils can have benefits that make our lives easier. So that's what should we think first when choosing something for our home, especially. Okay, like if we buy something, we should think, is it benefited, or does it benefit to me, or does it have benefit to us? Okay, so for example, here in the picture, that is a vacuum cleaner. So it's very useful. Okay, benefit means it is useful to us, like we can get something from it. So vacuum cleaner is helpful to us. And this one, the washing machine, okay, it's also helpful. It has benefits. Okay, next we have here another example, the kitchen utensils, or things that we use in a kitchen, such as serving bowl, mug, jug, spatula, timer, thermos, blender, ladle, perforated spoon, pan, cup, frying pan, bowl. Okay, so there are more aside from this. Okay, and that's why we need to choose correctly and properly if these things are very useful to us, or do they have benefits. So that's why we need to think about that. Okay, next we have here another one. We can also have these household appliances. Okay, these appliances are also important, especially at home, such as earlier we had washing machine. Okay, another one here, dishwasher, oven, refrigerator, blender, toast machine, kettle, iron, vacuum cleaner, lamp, electric fan, mixer, microwave, pressure cooker, coffee machine, and television, and many more. Okay, these are not only those appliances that we can see at home. Okay, I know you can have more than this. Okay, so make sure we also think if these things have benefits, okay, to us, like good benefits to us. Okay, next. Look around your house, list down things that you can see, and write down their benefits. But before you do that, okay, later, okay, you need to listen first, okay? We will continue. So again, what is benefits? Someone asks. I can hear someone asks. So benefit means like something that you can get from, or if this thing is useful to me or useful to everyone, or does it have uses to us, or does it have many functions to us? Okay, that's benefit. Okay, next, just like here on the picture, okay, I'll show you. This one is an air fryer. Okay, so what are the benefits of air fryer? Okay, A, fry your favorite meals faster. So that's one benefit. Okay, or advantage. Okay, that's the correct term. I got it. Okay, benefit or advantage that you can get from something. Okay, so number one, fry your favorite meals faster. Of course, we like to cook our meals faster, especially when you're hungry, right? Okay, next, if you use air fryer, then you eat healthier. Yes, because it doesn't need to put oil anymore, okay? We don't have to put oil anymore here. We just have to put the food just like here in the picture, and then no need for oil. So that's healthy, right? Next, clean them more easily. So it's easier to clean them than with other pan. Next, conserve electricity, of course, because you cook your meal faster. That means you conserve your electricity. You don't have to use the electricity for a long time. Okay. Next, emit less heat in the kitchen. Okay, it's very useful. So the second principle is saving. So the cost of objects and utensils should be reasonable and suitable for the income of the user. So if we have low income, if our family has low income, then we should also choose the thing that is not expensive to buy, right? Okay, so we should be smart on buying things, okay? So let's have here, utensils and objects should help save water and electricity too. So we should choose things at home that would also help us save water and electricity as well. So we have here examples, the solar powered calculators and energy saving light bulbs. Okay, so these are some examples that would help us save. Okay, and so what are the advantages of solar energy? As we can see here, there's a house that use solar panel, right? So they get the energy from the sun. So what are the advantages? Okay, what are the benefits? Okay, let's see. Number one, better for the environment, of course. It is environment friendly. Next, produce clean, renewable energy. Next, it can save us money. Yes, you don't have to pay to get the solar energy. You just have to make, or you just have to have that solar panel, and after that, no need to pay for solar energy, right? Okay, next, reduce your electricity bills, of course. So let's recall the three principles in selecting objects and utensils. First, we need to think the benefit of the thing that we need to buy or choose, and can it make us save, or it should be saving, okay? And the third one here is safety. Utensils and objects should be chosen which do not harm people's health and are also friendly to environment, okay? It should be safety to everyone, not just for people, but for our environment as well. Okay, this includes objects made of natural materials, reusable or recyclable materials. Okay, for example here. So these are examples of safe appliances. Taps and other bathroom equipment that has the TIS label. So if you try to look at your tap at home, if there is TIS label, that means you choose the right one. Okay, TIS stands for Thai Industrial Standards, which refer to the levels of quality determined by the Thai Industrial Standards Institute. So the TISI gives guidelines for producers to make quality products. So next time, if you will buy equipments, especially like this for your bathroom or for your kitchen, you can tell your mom to, Mom, let's choose the thing which has TIS label, okay? So that's very useful as well, and it's very good for us and for the environment. Okay, next, Another examples of safe appliances or safe utensils or things at home is to reuse or use reusable and biodegradable plastic bags, okay, and recyclable bottle. So we need to make sure that the things that we have at home are what? Recyclable or reusable. So we don't have to throw many things, and it can cause pollution, right, in our environment, and it's not good. Okay, next. So effects of using objects and utensils in everyday life. What are the effects? Number 1. Objects and utensils may be harmful to users and others if they use them without knowing how to use them or studying their manual. That's why when you buy something, if you have new thing, we need to read first the instruction before using them. Okay. Next, overspending if the objects and utensils are too expensive. So that's one effect. If you don't really choose properly, then you might overspend because you don't think that, oh, it's too expensive, I can buy different one which has the same quality and it's cheaper. So you're not thinking, you're just, I want to buy this one, that one. Okay, so we need to remember those 3 principles. Again, what are those? Benefit, saving, and safety. Okay, number 3. Objects and utensils may be of low quality if they have no guarantee from TISI. So again, remember, if there's no label of TIS, that means it could be low quality and it will get what? Broken easily, it will be damaged easily, and you have to buy again. So that means it costs a lot. It costs you more money. Okay, next. Objects and utensils may be harmful to the environment if appliances are used that take a long time to decay, such as cans, plastic bags, and batteries. So that's why we need to use recyclable materials or reusable materials, okay? So it's very important also to help our environment. Next, the last one. Objects and utensils may be damaged or have shorter lifetimes if they are improperly used and are not maintained. So that's why we always need to take care of our things so that we don't have to buy again and again. It costs money, it gives us pollution and many things, okay, bad things. So that's what you should remember, okay? Now for your activity, this is your homework. I want you to complete this answer. Okay, struggling in a storm. Imagine you are struggling in a heavy storm and need a place to shelter. You finally see a house where you can get inside. However, there are none of the objects and utensils needed for living. Imagine that you had to stay in this house for at least a week. Which 10 utensils would make you feel comfortable if you could have them in the house? So write the names of the 5 utensils that would benefit you in the situation above. So I want you to write at least 5 things that are very important for you to survive here, okay? Only 5. Next. Number 2, okay, the second activity. Draw one of the utensils in your house, then answer the question here. So you can read it, right? And that's all. No need for speaking activity because you have a lot of homework now. So I don't want you to be tired, okay? So I hope you enjoy this lesson and you'll learn from it. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your day and see you in our next lesson. Bye.